In this video, I'll show you how to trade after hours on Robinhood. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. To get started, open the Robinhood app on your phone and log in to your account. Once you're on the home screen, use the search bar at the top to find the stock you want to trade. Tap on the stock to open its detail page, where you can see the price chart, recent performance, and trading options. Now, tap on the trade button at the bottom of the screen, and then choose Buy. This is where the key difference happens. If you choose to trade in dollars, meaning you're buying a fractional share, your order will typically be set as a limit order during after-hours trading. In most cases, that order will be queued and processed when the market opens again. However, if you switch from dollars to shares and enter a whole number, like one share instead of a dollar amount, you can place the trade during after hours as long as the stock is eligible for extended hours trading. After entering the number of whole shares you want to buy, tap Review to see the order details. You'll be able to confirm that it's set up to execute in the extended trading session. If you try to place a fractional order after hours, Robinhood will usually notify you that the order will be queued and executed when the market reopens. Let it queue. Once you review your order details and confirm everything looks correct, simply swipe up to submit the order. Now these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. And also, if you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, click the video showing up on your screen to watch a detailed review.